In order to set up a self-hosted email platform, one of the most crucial decisions you will need to make is selecting the right email server software. The email server software is responsible for handling incoming and outgoing emails, managing user accounts, and ensuring the security and reliability of your email system. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of selecting a suitable email server software for your self-hosted email platform. 1. Identify your requirements. Before diving into the selection process, it is essential to identify your specific requirements. Consider factors such as the number of users, storage capacity, scalability, security features, administrative capabilities, and integration with other software you may be using. Based on your needs, you can filter out email server software that does not meet your criteria. 2. Research available options. There are several email server software options available in the market. Some popular ones include Microsoft Exchange Server, Zimbra Collaboration Suite, MailAnable, and iRedMail. Research these options, read reviews, and compare their features to find the ones that align with your requirements. 3. Consider open source solutions. Open source email server software is an excellent option for those looking for flexibility, customizability, and cost-effectiveness. Open source solutions like Exim, Postfix, and Dovecot are widely used and offer a high level of stability and security. Evaluate these options and see if they meet your needs. 4. Evaluate ease of installation and configuration. One critical aspect to consider is the ease of installation and configuration. Look for email server software that provides clear documentation and a user-friendly interface for installation and setup. This will significantly reduce the time and effort required to get your self-hosted email platform up and running. 5. Security features. Security is paramount when it comes to handling emails. Look for email server software that offers robust security features such as encryption, spam filtering, antivirus protection, and secure authentication protocols. Ensure that the software adheres to industry standards and best practices to protect your email platform from potential threats. 6. Scalability and performance. As your organization grows, so will the demands on your email server software. Consider the scalability and performance capabilities of the email server software you are evaluating. It should be able to handle a growing number of users and a higher volume of emails without compromising performance. 7. Integration with other software. Think about the software ecosystem in your organization. The email server software should integrate seamlessly with other software you are using, such as customer relationship management, CRM systems, file sharing platforms, or collaboration tools. This integration will enhance the overall efficiency and productivity of your organization. 8. Community support and documentation. It is essential to consider the availability of community support, active forums, and comprehensive documentation for the email server software. These resources will assist you in troubleshooting issues or finding additional functionalities. Open source solutions usually have a vibrant community around them, which can be a valuable resource for support and knowledge sharing. 9. Consider cost. Email server software can vary significantly in terms of cost. Evaluate your budget and weigh it against the features and capabilities offered by different options. Open source solutions generally come with minimal or no licensing costs, making them an attractive option for cost-conscious organizations. 10. Test and evaluate. Once you have narrowed down your options, it's important to test them out before making a final decision. Install and configure the software in a test environment and simulate typical usage scenarios. Evaluate the overall user experience, performance, and compatibility with your organization's infrastructure. 11. Finalize and implement. After thorough evaluation and consideration of the above factors, make your final selection and proceed with implementing the chosen email server software into your self-hosted email platform. Follow the installation and configuration instructions provided by the software's documentation. By following these steps, you will be able to select a suitable email server software for your self-hosted email platform. Remember to periodically review and update your email server software to stay current with the latest security patches and feature enhancements. Note: this tutorial assumes you have already chosen the right hosting provider and completed the installation and configuration of the email server, as these topics have already been covered separately.